All right, this equation is a great one. Probably one that if you missed it, it was because you weren't being very careful. Other than that, it's probably going to be amazing. So it gives us use the slope-intercept form to graph the equation of a line. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So if I get ready to graph, I start at my y-intercept. So I'm going to start my graph at where y is positive 1. So that means I'm going to come over here, where y is positive 1, which is here, and that's where I'm going to start my point. Now I have to use my slope to help me determine where to go next on my graph. So my slope is a negative 4 over 3. Now the negative is just kind of hanging out here in the middle, and so it doesn't matter which number I put it with. It doesn't matter if I go to the top or if I go to the bottom, but I cannot go to both, because if I went to both of them, it would make a negative over a negative, and a negative over a negative is a positive. Now, based on my slope, the top number of my slope tells me to go up or down, and the bottom number of my slope tells me to go left or right, depending on if it's positive or negative. Well, because this is negative 4, this is going to tell me to move down, and because this is a positive 3, it's going to tell me to move to the right. So based on where I started, which is my y-intercept, if I'm here, I'm going to move down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And so, or I could have moved up 4 into the left 3 if I didn't have enough room. As long as I reverse both of them, I'm okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then that would be my line, and it would be graphed using slope-intercept form, where m is my slope and b is the y-intercept.